what's up, all YouTube and brothers? Woohoo! Happy Monday! God, it was hard getting out of bed this morning, man. That alarm went off, man. I'm like, no way. God, Mondays are rough for me, man, to get up. Sleeping in for 2 days. I mean, sleeping in. I've never been able to sleep in, but I've been staying up late. Actually, I used to stay up late and still wake up at 7. Now, no. Forget about it, man. 10, no problem. Sleep in at 10 o'clock, not a problem. Shoot, I think Saturday was like 10:30. And I could have kept going, baby. I could have kept going. Yeah, no problem. Got a new controller. It's beautiful. There's things about it I don't like as much as the Nacom Pro. The Nacom Pro, the paddles are like really nice. There's 4 paddles. I mean, they're nice. I'm not gonna lie. The paddles on the other one, there's 2 paddles you can't even use. I know there's 2 triggers on the back, which are cool. Okay, I mean, you know, they're not paddles, they're triggers. Okay, you know, I can still get used to that. Come on now. But they got 2 bumpers on the inside of your other bumpers. You know, you got like the one, you know, 1R, 2R, you know, the triggers. They're to get them, you got to go over the other ones, and you push it, you end up pushing the freaking trigger. I don't know, man. It's like worthless. But the sticks, God, I love the sticks on them, man. Freaking really nice, man. Really nice. What else? Oh, it's super easy to program the buttons. Nacom, you got to hook it up to the computer. What else? It feels good. Looks good. Easy to program. Sticks are beautiful. Beautiful. And I don't like the sticks on the Nacom at all. They're pretty awful. They're tall. I don't like them tall. I like them short. They're tall and they're loose, man. They're loose. And better than that, on the Nacom, everything else is really good on it. Yeah. Yeah, if it wasn't for the sticks, it'd be better. It'd be better than that freaking Razor, dude. Seriously. And the Razor's more expensive. A lot more expensive. So don't buy the Razor. There you go. There, I said it, man. I said it. I said it. I said it! The Nacom is cheaper. Well, it hooks up the computer, and it is pretty rough. I mean, it's super technical. I mean, super. Okay, you got to be like a freaking genius to figure it out. I still haven't, but I do got the buttons programmed right. And I did get the joysticks. You could do the radius of it, and I got the radius down. Pretty cool, but that's about it. Oh, it's got 4 custom saves that you could do on a Nacom. So you could do like, you know, a Destiny, Star Wars, whatever, 2 more. The Nacom's is 2, which I don't like, because I get my 2 favorite games in there, and then the 3rd, forget about it, you know. The 3rd and 4th, no, and then again, like Star Wars, for example, man. I like to have the paddle for tumbling and reloading the weapon. Star Wars. Yeah. It's not reload. It's overheat. You hit it. And I like to have those. And then the other two is a grenade, and something else. Jump. Yeah, that's it. Jump, man. So when I get the Razor, I only have two, right? Because the other ones are worthless. So I get the tumble and the reload, and then you can't jump, right? You got to take your thumb off the. So that's a problem. You know, I still gotta play some more on that Razor. I still got to get used to it. I still got to get used to it. So I don't know. Maybe those triggers are. I don't know. Maybe my fingers aren't long enough. I don't know. Maybe you got to have long fingers. Super long. You know. I was thinking of gluing something on there so I could. I don't know. Hey, all you little YouTube brothers. This is.